During the Soviet era, there was a major characteristic, that is, the desire to compete with Western countries in everything. The areas most people are familiar with are mainly in high-tech fields such as military and aerospace, with seemingly little competition in the automotive field. However, the Soviet Union also sought to make a mark in the field of sports cars, and the ZIL-112S was the result of this effort. The ZIL-112S was a sports car developed by ZIL in 1961. The S in its name stands for sports. Although the Soviet Union had a good handle on off-road vehicles, it had little experience with the more delicate and compact nature of sports cars. Therefore, there is a theory that the ZIL-112S took inspiration from the Ferrari Testarossa. While the two do share some similarities in appearance, it's possible that the resemblance is only superficial, as the Soviets did not buy a Ferrari for research. Only two ZIL-112S cars were built. The curb weight of the sports car was 1,330 kilograms, with a wheelbase of 2,190 millimeters. It utilized a rear-wheel drive configuration and incorporated some relatively new technologies at the time, such as a limited-slip differential, radial tires, and a fiberglass body. The streamlined exterior was suitable for high-speed driving. The first car was equipped with a 230 horsepower 6.0L V8 engine, while the second car had a 270 horsepower 7.0L V8 engine. Both engines were constructed of lightweight aluminum alloy. It was estimated that the sports car could reach a top speed of 260 to 270 km per hour, with an acceleration time of approximately 9 seconds for 0-100 km. The ZIL-112S was a major achievement in the Soviet Union at the time, and the project was very practical, aimed at breaking domestic records rather than blindly pursuing world supremacy. The sports car set 5 records from 1963 to 1965 and won the Soviet championship. Due to subsequent improvements to the car's body shell, there may be slight differences in appearance between the car seen in different photos. However, the Soviet Union lacked the infrastructure for high-speed racing. One of the cars was planned to break speed records, but due to weather conditions, it only accelerated to a speed of no more than 230 km per hour, failing to achieve the intended top speed of 270 km per hour. Although the ZIL-112S caused a sensation in the Soviet Union for a time, the country almost never developed such specialized sports cars again. The reason is that the Soviet Union itself did not have the foundation for the existence of sports cars. Developing and commercializing such expensive industrial products requires a huge industrial support, and it is not an industry that can be developed by a country's leader on a whim. Fortunately, both ZIL-112S cars have survived. One is located in a car museum in Latvia, and the other is in the hands of a private collector in Sweden.